So students, today in the fourth part of our chapter, let us take the next topic, which is towards the civil civil disobedience movement. The civil disobedience movement started in India in the year 1930, and national non-cooperation movement was withdrawn in the year 1922. So what was happened in between these two movements? First of all, let us discuss this. The first question which raises that why non-cooperation movement was withdrawn. As we know that the main principle of satyagraha are truth and non-violence, and non-cooperation movement was based on satyagraha started by Mahatma Gandhi, but in the year 1922 at Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh, few young protesters attacked on a kotwali, that is a police station, and burned it. Because of that, 21 policemen were killed. It was a violent activity, and Mahatma Gandhi, when he heard this news, he immediately withdrawn the movement. Obviously, at that time the movement was at its height. So when Gandhiji declared to call off the movement, there were many who opposed it, and this was one of the reasons that in the year 1923 the father of Jawaharlal Nehru, that is Motilal Nehru, and C.R. Das created a new party named Swaraj Party. The factor which shaped Indian politics during the late 1920s was, the first one is Simon Commission. After all, the British government ready to discuss on the problems of India. For that they created a commission, and it is the duty of commission to advise the government that which types of changes government has to take. It was headed by Sir Simon. Sir, अभी नहीं बोलो ना. But the main problem here is that in this commission, the all members of Simon Commission was Britishers, and no one is Indian, and that is why Congress and other parties, they all decide to send back Simon Commission. So when Simon Commission comes in India in the year 1927, it faced protest from all over the India. The next thing or factor which shaped Indian politics was the Salt March. On 31st 1930, Mahatma Gandhi sent a letter to Lord Irwin, who was the Viceroy of India at that time. He sent 11 different demands to him, but Lord Irwin was reject all these demands, and the result was that Gandhiji decides to start civil disobedient movement, means to break all the laws, and it was started Salt March. Gandhiji starts its Salt March from Gandhi Ashram on 12th March 1930 with its 78 followers, and after 240 miles he reached Dandi on 6th April 1930, where he break salt law by making salt. This particular event on 6th April 1930 is known as the beginning of civil disobedience movement. British reaction. Obviously, Britishers were worried by the developments what happened in India. So they start arresting the Congress leaders and the protesters. This shows the panic of British government. In 1930, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also known as the Frontier Gandhi, was arrested by the Britishers. Gandhi itself was arrested from Solapur, where the Solapur workers attacked on police forts. The policy of ritual and repressions was started by Britishers. Peaceful satyagrahis were attacked, beaten, and arrested by the police. Now, the major event happened after that was that Mahatma Gandhi once again call of its movement, that is the civil disobedience movement, as he call of the first national movement of India at large scale non-cooperation movement in the year 1922. He called off this movement after a pact was done with Lord Irwin on 5th March 1931. As we know that Congress refused to attend the first round-table conference which was held in London. After the pact with Irwin, Gandhiji decides to go to the second round-table conference in the year 1931 at London, where he did an agreement with the British government. The British government agreed with all the demands given by Mahatma Gandhi. But when he came back to India, he saw that the Britishers were doing just opposite of that and arresting all the leaders, beating the peoples, and suppress the Indian national movement. When he see all these things, he once again started the civil disobedience movement. Now, what happened with this civil disobedience movement? Obviously, maximum of the communities were unhappy with Mahatma Gandhi, so they refused to once again join the movement. Second thing, that how participants show the movement. Here participants means the rich peasants, the poor peasantries, industrialists, working class, women, etc. These will be discussed in our next chapter, plus the limits of civil disobedience movement also. That's all here. Thank you.